Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, I'm Professor Liakat. Today I'm with a renowned person, his name is Tipu Sultan. Brother, how are you doing?
I am very nice.
What is your home district?
Kustia.
Kustia. Tell us something about your family. Are you married or single? Do you have any children? Are you married?
Married. I have only a daughter.
You have only one daughter.
One daughter.
What does she do? She is in the university?
She is a University of Dhaka University under 7 college.
What's her college name?
College Titumir.
Government Titumir College.
Government
And
Titumir
Department
College.
of?
English.
English. Okay. So
He was a student of science.
She was a
She
student.
was
of
a
science.
student of science.
Okay.
She was trying to admission engineer.
So what is your school's name and college name? Your school and college name?
My primary school name Sorishadul is government primary school, Shampur high school, intermediate Chodanga Poro college, degree Amla government college.
Okay, so what is your profession currently? What's your yes.
Currently only our
Book writing.
Book writing.
Writing books. So how many books you have already written in your life?
How many books?
Only one
Written.
book? Only one book?
No. Only one book? No. Our first book, Rail Pothe Bangladesh. I have sold out before Corona 1.3 million.
1.3 million. You have sold the book?
Ji.
Okay. So
next book, bonus. Second book. Third book, bonus 2.
So do you feel proud being a writer?
Highly proud as
Highly
a writer.
happy.
Highly happy,
So
highly proud.
what do you want to see? Your daughter, she will be a professor or she will be a writer in future because she is studying in English department?
Maybe writer.
She will be a writer.
She will be writer.
And she is a lecturer, professor, no problem.
No problem.